Here's another mining rig. It's got 6 GTX 1060s, 3 gigs. Does about 150 mega hash using Ethos version 1.2. So this is the inside of it. I have 3 Delta fans in the front. They're about 8,000 RPMs to help cool these cards in this tight little case, but this is perfect for putting in a server rack in a data center, or if you have something at your house that you got an AC, that's perfect too. But yeah, so this is what you can build with. I got 6 cards, and this is a case that you can get off of Newegg. It's called the Roswell Bitcoin case. But even though that's kind of funny because you can only do video cards in here and not using like an Ant miner S9 or S10. But yeah, that's it.